The Jamaica Information Service, JIS, and its partners make routine treks to the Mount Olivet Boys' Home yearly to provide well-needed supplies. Christmas is one of 3 main visiting times when these caring agents of change bring special joy and warmth to the boys at their home in Walderston, Manchester. This past Christmas was another joyful and even more special occasion for the wards of the state. December 2019 marked the 10th year and the 30th visit since JIS adopted the Mount Olivet Boys' Home in 2009. On this trip, current and past staff members and their families, as well as a group of young swimmers, brought Christmas cheer to the home's 42 wards. A word of prayer and a rendition of melodious caroling by the team set the tone for the annual awards and Christmas luncheon.
Jesus, the Savior is born. Do you know the story? How the King of Glory came to earth, a baby born in a manger.
In addition to reciting the Christmas story, the boys showed off their vocal talent.
Strings of street lights, even stoplights, blinking bright red and green, and the shoppers rush home with their treasures.
Carol of the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away, Christmas is here, bringing it to young and old, meek and the bold, ding dong and dong, that is the song with joyful. Mary, did you know that your baby boy will someday walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will save our sons and daughters? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels stood? That sleeping child you're holding is a great I am.
Then all, singers or not, received individual gifts handed out by members of the Macca's Swim Club. The awards segment saw the boys and staff recognized for outstanding performance and conduct throughout the year. Awards were presented for Boy of the Year, Most Improved Behavior, Male Staff of the Year, and Female Staff of the Year. Donations were presented by the JIS and partnering sponsors. Those boys whose birthday anniversaries fell within the months of September to December received cards and joined in cutting their shared cake. Chief Executive Officer at the JIS, Donna Marie Rowe, sees this corporate social responsibility initiative as a winning tool to encourage and inspire the children in their care.
And I'm so glad that as a team, we decided to adopt the Mount Olivet Boys' Home in Walderston, right here in Manchester. It really has been a journey for us. We have determined that we wanted to target boys in particular. I felt that we made the right decision to support this boys' home. This is the little that we can do from our resources at JIS as staff members. And with the network that we have managed to reach out to corporate Jamaica, including the Why Be Afraid Foundation. When we touch the lives of boys, we are gonna change society. We really pray for your good success. We pray that you all do very well in life and that you will come out as good young men, fit to be lived with.
Director of the Boys' Home, Patrick Newman, expressed joy and thanks to the JIS team for the years of continuous assistance.
You have, throughout the year, has made your presence felt at Mount Olivet Boys' Home, and for that we are truly, truly grateful.
An important part of the agency's interaction with the home is the provision of mentorship to the boys. During this visit, signs of expansion were visible at the home, where development started for the addition of more dormitories. The listing of partnering sponsors for this Christmas visit included Macca's Aquatic Racers Swim Club, Rainforest Seafoods, Lasco Distributors, Fontana Pharmacy, B&Y Enterprise Limited, Sugar Mama Cakes, and the Jamaica Urban Transit Company.
We enjoy coming each and every time, and we thank you for having us. Thank you so much for your support, for your time and your energy, and for everything. And happy holidays.
JIS and its sponsors' next major visit to the Mount Olivet Boys' Home are the Sports Day in April and in summer for back-to-school preparations.